In this video, I will talk about the differences between Canva Free and Canva Pro account. So there are a lot of differences between Canva Free and Canva Pro account, especially in the context of features. Canva Pro has a lot of features that are not available in Canva Free account. Although Canva Free account is also good to go if you don't have budget to make your graphic designing and you need to have an online tool. Just for simple tasks, Canva Free account is also, I think, good to go for you. So let's talk about Canva Free and Canva Pro accounts' main features or differences. Is Canva Pro worth it? You can decide it by the end of this video. So here are the basic features and differences. You can see this. Like in Canva Free account, you can have only 250k free templates. On the other hand, 420k free templates are available in Canva Pro account. In Canva Free, 200k free photos are available. In Canva Pro feature, you will be able to get access in 71 million of photos, and it's completely free in your Canva Pro account. And free graphic elements are available 57k in your free account. On the other hand, in your Pro account, 4.5 million of free graphics elements are available here, and 30k free videos available in free account, and 2.5 million videos are available in Canva Pro account. 1,700 free fonts are available in Canva Free account. On the other hand, 3,000 free fonts available here in Canva Pro account. 75 free audio tracks in free and 25k audio tracks in Canva Pro. 6 animation effects are available in free account. On the other hand, 14 animation effects are available in Pro account. 2 free folders available in free account, and unlimited folders are available in Canva Pro account. 5 GB cloud storage available in free account. On the other hand, 100 GB cloud storage available in Canva Pro account. 1 brand key with very limited is available in Canva Free account with only 1 color palette in your brand kit and 3 colors per palettes. This is for Canva Free account. On the other hand, in Canva Pro account, there is no limitation of brand kit Pro. And again, you will have unlimited color palettes. You can have the access of upload your own fonts and logos that are not available in free account. That means you can't upload your own fonts in free account. If you want to upload your own fonts, you need to go in Canva Pro account. And also you can add your logos here in the Pro account. You can also have a lot of much better brand kit available in Canva Pro account. And another thing is Canva Pro has a lot of exceptional features that are not available in Canva Free account, like magic switch. You can switch your canvas or size in your Canva Pro account easily, but you can't get this in your free account. And you can remove background from your Canva Pro account that are not available in free account. You can magic grab, like you can magic grab any text. You can grab the text and edit from any static image, or you can even grab the elements of an image if you are using Canva Pro account. So that is actually magic grab feature. And you can magic eraser. Let's say some of the elements or some of the part of your image you don't want to keep, and you need to just erase only that part. And you can do this by Canva Pro account. And magic expand is also available in Canva Pro account, which is like you want to expand any part of your image, and you just need to comment to the Canva AI and it will expand your image. Any of your side of image you want to add something different, then you just need to command Canva and it will execute your command. So that is actually magic expand feature. And there are a lot of other features available, like that you can download PNG with transparent background in Pro feature that you can't in Free feature. You can manage your social content planner from Canva Pro. You can save designs as brand templates. You can replace images across designs. You can have the access of magic animate. So all of these things are only available for Canva Pro account that are not available in Canva Free account. So now the biggest question is Canva Pro worth it? In my opinion, yes, it's definitely worth it, because in my opinion, you don't need to spend a lot of money to get Canva Pro. Just monthly, maybe $5 or $6 you need to spend for Canva Pro account. And if you hire any person, you just need to pay someone at least $5 to $10 for only one design. So why not you are interested to go Canva Pro account, ignoring all of these amazing features? So in my opinion, if you don't have budget limitation, you should definitely go to Canva Pro account because it's completely worth it with your money and you don't need to regret. If you are passionate about creating design, or if you need a lot of design and you don't have a dedicated graphic designer, then you must need to have Canva Pro account. Otherwise, if you don't need to do any design task, you just only need to little bit design related editing or these types of thing, then you can only use Canva free. Otherwise, if you need frequently to use designing tool, then Canva Pro is 100% worth it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you feel this video helps you, please subscribe my channel.